it's Lizzie from Lizzie's World of Gems. Welcome back to my channel. I'm here in the craft room and we're going to be doing my month in review for June. Now you could say I did two, I finished two, but I will technically tell you what happened. So this is Saga. I did complete Saga for the event. It is from Captured by Radiance. It is licensed by Romance Art and it is a 60 by 80. So Saga was the one that I did for the event. I just want to thank Captured by Radiance and Romance Art for putting on this event, and to thank all my other co-hosts of the event. They were all so wonderful people. I love them all, and I look forward to working with them again next year. Next year, I think we have 2 months, so maybe I can spread out more of my canvas within the 2 months. But I was really trying to work really hard to finish this. Plus, I had holidays through this month, so I think that's why I was able to complete it on time, with time to spare. I finished this on June, I think it was the 27th of June. I finished this, but I'm just going to go slowly so you can see all the beauty in this. I did not enhance this kit. Later on, I got some metallics, and I wish I had put metallics throughout the stripes. But the way it's charted is really beautiful. These are all hand rendered, and they are just so beautiful. This had 98 colors, and I really feel like the 98 colors is what did this canvas so much more beauty. It's just so gorgeous. I love Captured by Radiance canvases. They're easy to work on. I love all the line blocking that it has. As you can see, there is confetti around, but it did not feel like it was. It's just so beautiful. I'm pretty sure there were no 310s in this canvas. Yeah, there were no 310s in this canvases. They were all blues and browns. I think they had nine, is it 939 or 969? That dark color. No, they don't even have that one. Thought they did. 823 was like a dark blue. That was in it a lot. And what was the other symbol that I had a lot? The coffee mug. Yeah, 939. Yeah, I was correct. There was 939. So it's kind of like black, but it's more like a dark blue, but it looks like a black when you look at it through the naked eye. And yeah, I have something stuck there. I don't know what it is. But it turned out gorgeous. Just gorgeous. I loved every minute of this canvas. It was just so beautiful. The trash was normal trash. Some pieces of little nibs on the side, holes on the top, but you just pick them out. But it was nothing that you ran out of drills. I really like this fairy dust right here that kind of shines throughout the canvas. I really like that color. It turned out really pretty. It's just overall, like, if you had like quad cubes, you could put them here, but I didn't have any quad cubes. And over here, you could put one in the middle. There is a lot of potential with this kit to, you know, spritz it up, but this is what I got done. I'm not going to go into too much detail of it because, you know, I want to do a post review on its own separately. So that is my first one for the month of June, my only completion. Well, I'll show you the next one. All right, this is my next completion. I have it rolled up. This was JW Fairy 33 by Mikey Bergman. It is a Capture by Radiance as well. And this is what So technically why I say this might not be, I started this in April for Splish Splash Spring Bash. I took a break from it and then I finished it in June, but I technically finished it on July 3rd. So that's why I'm thinking, is it really a finish for June because I technically finished it in July. I'm not going to go in too much detail with this one other than I'll tell you how many drills it had. There was 70 colors in this canvas. I also did not enhance any of this one as well. I did it as charted and I think she looks just gorgeous, just the way she is in the painting. I will go more into detail with this on the post review, but I did not run out of any colors. I loved every minute of it, but why I think it's not a June completion is because I technically finished it on July 3rd. But will we see this again? I don't know, because after the post completion I really want to frame this one, like dry mount it, but here in Canada it's hard to get dry mounted unless I go all the way to Port Huron, and I've never asked them if they do dry mounting at that Hobby Lobby. So I'll have to find out. If you're from Port Huron and you know, let me know down in the comments below. But yeah, this is JW Fairy 33, and she turned out gorgeous. I love it. All right, now to the next one. All right, this is canvas number 3. Now, if you can remember, this is from Francesca Studio Works. They are no longer in business, so you won't be able to find this canvas anywhere. But this is canvas number 3. I did do 1 row extra on this one this month. So this is as far as I gotten on this canvas. It has 60 colors. Their resin drills is square. Everything that I'm going to show you today is square. I did an only square year, which has been a challenge for sure. Yeah, it turned out it's turning out really nice. I love all the vibrant colors in this one. And yeah, this is called Pride. I can't wait to get to the special drill, even though I know it's just a big one, but I just like to see what it looks like. I really love this color here. It's working out really good. It's like line blocking, and I love it. So this is the Francesca Studio Works Canvas Pride. This is number 3 in my whips. I did work on 1 extra row. Now the next 2 I'm going to show you, I didn't do anything on them. They're still the same from the last month, so I'll get those as well. All right, this is my Diamond Art Club canvas. It is called Moonlight Moments. It's 2 owls. As you can see, I haven't done any more of this canvas. I'm hoping to work on it some more this month of July. It's very confetti heavy. Here seems like there's a lot of black, so maybe that will go quickly. And over here, there's some color blocking less, but the parts where I'm at right now, full of confetti. And it's really cute and it's very vibrant. I love how the colors are popping on this one. There is 57 colors in this baby, and I'm loving it. It's looking good. This is another one that my boyfriend started that he never completed. So all these whips that I'm showing you now are really his, but I've taken them over. So this is number 4 in my whips, but 2 of them are complete. So really I only have 3 whips left, and they're all his. have you noticed I'm kind of putting his off to the side and working on them slowly? I'm not dedicating myself to just his whips until I get at least one of them done, and then I'll concentrate on the other two. But yeah, I do want to try to get his whips done by the end of the year so I have them out. But I am going to be kitting one kit this month, so we'll see. So this is kit number 4, and I did not work on it. Okay, now for the last one. All right, there's a train going by. All aboard the Lizzie Express. I have the muffle microphone on. I don't know if you're going to hear the train. Okay, so this is an older canvas from Captured by Reyes. It is Phoenix Rising from Jody Bursma. She is no longer licensed through, only the kits that they still have of hers are still in stock, but I don't think there is any left. But they're not carrying her anymore, which is kind of sad, but they wanted to get away from that licensing agency. So this one has 51 colors. It's an older kit. It is all ABs. There are no fairy dust in this kit. That's how old it is. And it is 2 phoenixes, and it was my boyfriend's. I got it for him for Christmas, and he gave up on it. He was working over here on all these browns, and he said it was depressing and he didn't want to work on it anymore. Fine, whatever. So I continued on, and then I'm like, where's the extra drills? He couldn't find them, but we ended up finding them. So this is it. I think I'm going to kit this up into like tray bricks or another system that I can just use to see if this will, like, if I can work on this quickly. But this is, I haven't worked on it at all. I always push this one to the back burner, but when I get some stuff completed, I might work on it. Maybe I'll work on it some this month. I really wanted to work on the owl more this month, but maybe I'll work on some of this. Maybe I'll try to get a row of each of them done. I don't know how successful I'll be on doing that, but we'll see. We'll see. I might re-kit this one. Maybe I'll do a video of me re-kitting this one. Okay, so this is canvas number, what was it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is number 5. So now I only have 3 whips in my stash, but I am going to start kitting up one of them, another one, so then I'll have 4 again. So there you have it. That is it for all of my whips and my month in review. I hope you liked it, and if you liked it, please like and subscribe and do all the fun things, and the little girl at the end tells you all of that too. So go check her out because I like her. Until next time, take care everyone. Bye. Hey guys, it's me again. If you like what you've seen, please like and subscribe to this video and hit that notification bell, and it'll remind you whenever I load up a video. I'd be super tickled pink. Till next time guys, take care. Bye.